from Autohaus of Naples, and I would like to say Happy New Year. We have been selling cars throughout the holidays, and I have not had a chance to do a video, so I apologize. But today I do have something rare for you. It is a short wheelbase G-Wagon from Mercedes-Benz. It's titled as a 1990 Mercedes-Benz, I believe it's a 300 GE, and it is a two-door short wheelbase. Am I correct on that, Peter?
Yes.
It's looking really crazy. I'm going to show you a little bit on the inside. We do have rear and front lockers and a high and low gear options on this car. And you can see it's nice. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. And anybody who doesn't want to drive out their $100,000 G-Wagon to work, or they need something off-roading, this is going to be the truck for you, the G-Wagon for you. It has the same engine and motor as the, I believe also the 1990 300E. It's the same engine. So it is a 3-liter inline-6 motor engine, and you can see it is a Puch, which is made by Mercedes-Benz. Oh, sorry. I didn't expect that to slam on my fingers. Anyhow, like I said, it is it's hard to find. You have all your off-road capabilities. The back seats fold up, which I will show you. And like I said, we do have the front and rear lockers, the 5-speed manual transmission, inline-6 motor, and there's your 300 GE badge. And it is a clear title. It's from Europe. And let me just show you back here. Like I said, the seats do fold up. It's pretty simple. I'm going to try and see if I can accomplish this for you. No, 1 second. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to hold the camera. Sorry about that. All right. So basically, this right here will also lift up for you, and Peter's going to help me with that. There we go. So if you want to take this car off-roading, it's pretty simple, fairly simple. If you want to load stuff in, if you're a workman, you can do that as well, and you have plenty of space to do so. I am going to take it on a short test drive today. It's getting dark here and it's cold for us, and I will see you on the test drive. Okay, so I'm going to start it up. All right, 115,421 kilometers, which is, I believe, 70 something miles, 70,000 or 72,000 miles. Like I said, it is a manual 5-speed transmission, and let me get it into second gear here. Just gonna take it up and down the road. I'll do a short video of it off-road as well, but like I said, you can take this off-road and drive it on a regular street. So that is something that you have the option of doing. So I'm going to show you both. But it'll just be a quick little short test drive to show you how to use the lockers, the rear front lockers, as well as the gears. So I think it's a man's car, but it doesn't really matter. Whoever wants it, whoever likes to go off-roading, whoever likes the rugged G-Wagon look. Like I said, you do have your bench seating here in the back. And just 1 second. All right. It rides smooth and well. And if you have any questions about it, just give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. You can also find us on the web, and that's at autohausnaples.com. Again, my name is Marianne. 239-263-8500, or on the web at autohausnaples.com. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, so we are going to do the off-roading part of this Mercedes-Benz Puch G-Wagon. I am a passenger for this because we're going to show you the lockers and the low and high gears, which you can see right here. We have it into the streets, low gear, and this is for the
Like Geländewagen.
Geländewagen. So
low gears.
Yeah.
It's geared very, very low right now. Just try to get a little off the pavement.
Yeah, and you never want to put on your lockers. You have 1, 2, and 3 here. Once you get them on, if you turn one off, go ahead and turn them. They all turn off, so keep that in mind.
The anti-lock brakes burns off right away so when you go off-roading. So there's the center locker, now it's the back lockers. We are off on slippery pavement, so it's okay to turn them on.
Yes, but you never want to turn them on while you're on normal.
This is the
pavement.
confirmation light. Red is mean they're engaged, so I try to put the front one on. It's sometimes you only see now all 3 lockers are on. All you need to do is turn one of them off. They all go out. They're still on till you wiggle the car a little bit around and see now
There we go. Oop.
So this is all-wheel drive settings. Rear lockers.
Sorry, I know it's bouncy. That's the point. So the anti-lock brakes, they automatically do turn off, like you said, but you also have the option of turning them off by yourself right here with the anti-lock brake
Can you get the terrain a
system.
little bit?
Yes, and
It's very bouncy here.
it's very bouncy. It doesn't look like it in the video. I'm aware because we've done some before, because we do import vehicles like this often. Military vehicles, gray market vehicles. Like I said, this one's from Europe. And I know that it never looks like it really is on the videos.
But this is one you can take off-road. Don't worry about a little scratch or a little branch hitting it, you know.
Yeah, but you're still also driving a G-Wagon.
And you still drive a Mercedes. You have
yeah.
the reliability, the awesomeness, the strong axles. There's a big hole coming up, so.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I really wish you could understand how high that is. But off-road capabilities are amazing. Whereas,
This is what you need this G-Wagon for.
Yeah.
For a real outdoors man. And don't worry about anything like this.
there's like just huge holes in the grounds.
So if you're interested in this car, give us a call, you know.
Yep.
It's an awesome, awesome machine.
Oh my god, this is the one I hate the most. Oh, like we rode over that one before.
Yeah.
The tree. All right, yeah. If you're interested in it, definitely give us a call. You can call us at 239-263-8500. Again, it's 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com, Haus. And my name is Marianne, and we will see you on the next one.